So in this video, we're gonna learn how to write the letter E. As you can see from this picture, it's made up of just these two basic strokes. So we start off with our entrance stroke as usual, and then we have this little E shape right there. So we just start it at that point, go up and complete it with a half oval while we add pressure to the side there. And when we add those two, we get our letter E. So there are basically two ways of writing the letter E, and I'm just going to show you that in the next slide. So the first way is how I showed you previously. We just start with the entrance stroke and then lift our pen, go up to the waistline, touch the waistline, come back down with pressure, touch the baseline, and go back up, completing it with a half oval. So I'm just going to do that again, and you can see how the letter is formed. So now I'm going to show you a second way of writing the letter E. It's quite similar. So you start with the entrance stroke, and now what you want to do is just do a half oval, adding pressure with your downstroke, and then you want to add a loop from the top to the middle of the oval right there. So you can use either of these methods to write your letter E, whichever you're more comfortable with. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.